Hobbities, and welcome back to another episode of Gollum Reads. Yes, and today we are reading Little Monster Trucks Go by Doug Cenko. Yes, and we want to thank Doug because Doug sent us this book, Precious. Yes, he did. He's a nice Hobbities. And look, he even drew a special Gollum truck. Yes, Precious, yes. In this story, there are 5 little monster trucks. Yes, and they go around and around the tracksies. Yes, and they encounter all sorts of things. And in the end, they work together and make it across the finish line. Let's get into the story, shall we? Monster trucks. Scrappy little monster trucks are revved up for a race. Engines roar and people cheer. But who will get first place, Precious? Gollum. They're on their moxies. They're in a row. They're ready, set, and ready. Go! Gollum, Gollum. So Smash and Glitz are neck and neck. Catnip and Shoxies build speed. Big Cheese zips up the middle lane and takes an early lead. They dash down curves and twists and turns. Each go their separate ways. Through hidden caves and loop-de-loops. What's a loop-de-loop, Precious? Their driving skills amaze. Oh no! Monster wheels are spinning muck. A muddy swamp, they're getting stuck. With secret gadgets, they're in luck. Toys grow spikes and some inflate. One truck sprouts legs so it can skate. Cheesies! Drenched with mud, they hurry on. But now they find the bridge is gone. Lost! You shall not pass, or something of that effect, yes. A monster leap with mid-air flips. Oh, they did pass, Precious, yes. The gup's too big. They drop like bricks. What else is in their bagsies of tricks? Trixie. Switch is set to flying mode. Blades extend and rings unfold. They soar across the missing road. Gollum. The trucks shift into higher gear, but up ahead, the road's not clear. There's nowhere else that they can steer. With all their strength, they can't break through, but there's one thing left that they can do. Fendersies flip and boatsies unscrew. These trucks are forming something new. On their own, they had no shot, but together they became a monster boat! Smash! Yes, we like the smashes. Yes, Precious, yes. The crowd goes wild as they cruise by. The judges meet and then reply. Not one winner, but a 5-way tie. As the people cheer and cameras snap, little trucks take their monster victory lap. The end. Gollum. We hope you enjoyed this reading of Little Monster Trucks Go! Yes, and we want to say another special Thank you to Doug. Thank you, Doug, for sending us this book, Precious. Yes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button and leave a comment down below. Yes, and if you want to see more videos like this one, Precious, don't forget to subscribe. Do it! You know you want to, my love. Yes, do it! Until next time, Hobbitses. Gollum, Gollum,